Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Brian from Apex Detail. When it comes to detailing, weekend warrior. If you're an occasional detailer, if you're a professional doing this day in and day out, protect yourself. Chemicals, all types of products, vapors in the air or just coming in contact with your skin. Your skin is very porous. Anything that comes in contact with your eye, it will enter your bloodstream very quickly. So again, protect yourself. Many of you guys have seen this glove. I've been wearing these for years. These are the Astro Grip. These are the high-res orange nitrile disposables. These are 7 mil thickness, and they are also dual-sided. These here are the ones I've been using lately because I just have so many of them. These are the Black Raven Nitrile Gloves disposables. It's their best seller. It is 6 mil thickness, and this is excellent for chemical resistance here. I use them when I'm polishing, coming in contact with all the polishing liquids. If you want something thicker for wheels and wheel wells, you have the Ultra Thick Thickster. This is a 14 mil thickness, comes up your arm a little bit further at 12 inches long. Chemical resistance, and this guy here is great for cleaning wheels and wheel wells, as there's a lot of sharp things down there that will catch your arms. Also, the extra length of the glove will prevent splashing. Some of the wheel barrel cleaning tools that we have, as you pull them out, the bristles will splash back at you, and these help a lot. Another one I like to reach for just an all-around versatile glove is the DermaView. This is a lime-colored 6 mil thick, non-latex, chemical-resistant glove. Also used for just about anything. This is one I like to grab when I'm applying waxes or sealants or quick detailers. Don't forget your lungs, guys. And again, it doesn't matter if you're just doing this occasionally or you do this day in and day out as a career. Grab a particle respirator. This is great for polishing. This is a 2-filter system. The filters are interchangeable. As you can see here, I can remove the inner filter. The exo filter is on the little brown part that brings in air through the mask itself, and they also can be replaced. All you do is put the new filter in, put the internal insert through, put the external filter on there, give it a twist, and you are done. The Velcro backing, just quickly throw this around your face, around your mouth and nose, Velcro around the back of your head, and you can get busy in no time at all. Well worth the extra couple short seconds to get that on there and protect your lungs. The dust particle mask can't do it all, so that's why you want to grab something like this, the dual cartridge respirator. That'll catch and take care of vapors if you're doing ceramic coatings or you're doing a little bit of painting or spray painting or just working with some really harsh cleaning chemicals. That's what this is for. This is, again, a dual cartridge respirator, 3-layer system. This one just takes a couple seconds longer to put around your head and also is a little bit harder to breathe, especially when it's warm, but well worth it with the vapors and a lot of the odors out there from some of these harsh chemicals. Please don't forget about your eyes. This company has many choices if you're worried about how you look. They have the camos, the VX9s, the Sidewinders. These are the Sidewinders here. What I like about these, they wrap around far enough that they'll go around my glasses. I can actually put them right in front of my glasses. They fit perfectly. You have the rubber nose tips, and also the earpieces are comfortable for long-term use. Great for cleaning interiors, such as this. Guys, I really don't care where you purchase your safety equipment, just as long as you do and protect yourself. For me personally at the shop, since the inception of the channel, and since I've been doing this, it's going to be the SAS Safety Corp. I'll put a link down below. If you are enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, share the content, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when we have new videos.